Hello everyone, welcome back. This is going to be the remaining section of Song 1 Part 2. This is the second half, so it's 11 sets total. In the other video, there was the first 6, this is the second 5, so as soon as you're done with that one, it's just continuation, okay? So the way we ended to the back here, this upward angle. So I'll have that tree be my audience for now, so you can kind of follow, but I'll flip back and forth, as you know, okay? So we're going to do a 12, okay? We're gonna do a turn over the left shoulder to the front and then back to the back, which is this. So you take the flag, bring the silk down, turn, up, turn. It's a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do it this way. To the back to the audience. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the way you do it, down, turn, up, turn. Down, turn, up, turn, okay? That's 4. We're going to dive again. So many dives. So, this is the back. Remember, it's how we just ended the last video. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dive to the front over the left shoulder. Dive. 5, 6, 7, 8. At an upward angle. But grab with your left hand under, okay, between the thumb, like an L, thumb and index finger. That's how we're grabbing, under. We're doing a pull. We're doing a weird thing. So you're going to grab under, and you're going to pull. It is very slow and exaggerated. So I know we go fast, fast, fast. This is slow. You have to take the full 4 counts, okay? You're here on 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Back to the upward angle. And it's very uncomfortable. You're only holding it for a second. But it's a strong upward angle. I know it looks really awkward with your arm, but it's a very strong, it's not lazy like this. It's strong, okay? That's 12 counts. So again, we're here, to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, almost fell. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then change direction a little bit. 5, 6, 7, 8. Grab under. Lean. 9, 10, 11, 12. Lean a little bit, okay? It looks like this from the other angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 12 counts. That is at the very end of the flute solo in Song 1. Now we're here. We're all twisted and weird. We're going to do 12 counts, a 12-count set, and if there's it's musical hit. We're going to go here, cut 1. Okay? Here. 1. And look down and face it. And we're going to do awkward hand again. 2. We did that before. Awkward hand. 3. We did this before. Hold 4. So before we did this, we did this before. We went like this in the other video. That section. Okay? It's the same move, except we're cutting it a little short. So we're at that awkward angle, up, thumb and index, down, thumb up, and then stop it straight up. This is the position. Left elbow is that way. Right elbow is this way. So your elbows are out. Grab on 4. Okay, so again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, your elbow's not out, but you know what I mean. It's 4. Hand flip 5. So now you're relaxed. Now you're in a relaxed position 5. Hold count 6, 7. So you let go and you bring it down 7. Hold 8. Turn 9. Hold 10. Step back with the left foot. This is very important. If you don't step back, you're going to hurt yourself. 11, 12. In. I'll do it from this angle. 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 6, 7, hold 8, 9, hold 10, bottom cone. The next move looks like this. So that's why it's an awkward stopping point, but it's just musical, okay? That's where it stops musically. So really that last move, you're here, it's like you're doing a bottom cone with one hand. That's all it is, it's a bottom cone. Okay? And you bring yourself in and you put the left hand, so both thumbs are down. So your right hand shoots across it. So I'll show you. We're here. You do the cone, you step back with the left foot. Left hand is, your left elbow is this way. Thumb is down. You're across your body like this. It's really awkward, okay? Let's go back and break that down. So you did that one set. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm facing the audience. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 6, 7. Hold 8, 9. Hold 10, 11, 12. Bring your body in, your head down, okay? So it's 2 12s we just did. Yes, okay? Next is a 16. We only have 2 more 16s and 11 and we're done. 2 12s, 2 16s, and 11. So we did 2 12s, 11, 12, your top cone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? It's a little awkward. It's like, forget the left hand for a second. The motion is 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's as if you're doing the cones with one hand. You're still doing the cone motion. Does that make sense? The left hand is just like an extra little added feature. 11, 12, and it pushes it. It makes it look like you're doing more. It just makes you're doing like this big motion, but you're not really doing anything with the flag. You're just pushing it, okay? That part is a little tricky, but you know, try your best. If you have to modify some things just to get your hands ready for the next part, I'm okay with that because I don't want you to get tripped up on, my hand's not right, I can't figure it out, I'm stumped, and I'm just going to stop. You have to learn this work, okay? And if there's just one part that's like, I can't get this like 6 counts or this 8 counts, I'm okay with you skipping 8 counts. That's easy, but you can't skip, oh, I skipped 3 16s. There's no way, okay? Just try your best and ask other people for help, okay? Here we go. Anyway. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Make like an X with your body, making an X. 4, 5. Make sure the flag ends up touching your left hip. You grab it. We're going to do the awkward hand thing again. 6, awkward hand thing. 7, 8, 9. Let go of your hand, dip 10. Up 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, flat 16. I'll break that down, okay? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awkward hand. This one's a little slower. 6, it's slower. 7, 8, grab 9. Let go and dip 10, up 11, up 12. So all I did from here was I brought the flag to the right. From here, dip that way. And then dive front. It looks like this from the front. Where was I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's all one motion too. Don't think of like that count 9 as like you're stopping. Really, it's just you're passing it from one hand to the next. If you do it, I'm really just passing it off like that. See how I didn't really stop? It's just a checkpoint. You don't want to like stop to go that way. You're already going that way. Passing off. So that just my right hand does it, okay? Let's break that down one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, up 12, down by your feet, 13, 14, up 15, flat 16. Okay? Left hand is over, right hand is under. We have 2 sets to go, my people, okay? We're here. The flag, we're actually continuing in the same motion. Okay, so we just went like this. We're going to keep going. 1, 2, in a cradle. That looks like this. You're literally pushing it into your right elbow. That's what it looks like. You're tucking it in your arm. It's not going anywhere, okay? So here. 1, 2. Turn over your right shoulder. 3, 4. Before, I want to say, 4, let's start to kind of unwind it a little bit. So maybe make this 4, this like flat. We didn't really do that practice, but I think it'll help. 1, 2, 3, flat 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna go back, okay? Actually, I'll face this way so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm facing You're the audience now. This is what you see. 1, 2 in your right arm. Turn over your right shoulder. 3, 4, and then all you're doing is stepping 5. Now my arm is up. Like the inside of my arm is up. Okay, this is how I'm holding it. 5. You go up 6. Down 7, like a drop spin. Like a drop spin, you're grabbing at 7. And then the next part is similar to a drop spin. You go 8, 9, grab on 10 above your hand instead of below. So that other move, that 7 was below, 8, 9, 10 is above. The silk is down for both of them, but it's where your hands are, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left hand is under. 8, 9, 10. Right hand is over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're on 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you're going to continue with that motion. You're going to push to the right. 11, down 12. Now, when you push on 12, you're doing a finger twirl between the middle and index, and you want your palm facing down. Silk is down, palm is down. Okay? I'll demonstrate it this way. You're on 10. I'm going to the front now. Push it up, 11, and then down. See, as you come down between the index and middle finger. Up, down. So you want to step to the front. You want to be like, you're doing it all simultaneously. You're turning, your hand flipping, the flag is spinning, okay? 10, over the right shoulder to the front. 11, and then turn all the way down. But the hands are like this, okay? Then it goes up, 13, 14. Right hand comes under, because when you do the finger twirl, it falls into your right hand, okay? You're on 12, go for the right hand, 13, 14. We're at this upward angle again, this upward angle. And then we're going to go to the back, 15, 16. That's all I did. I'm down, up, down, up, down, up, down to the left, up. Okay? So let's go back and do that set again. We're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, finger roll 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so it's all one motion. When you do it fast, that's what it looks like fast. But see how it all goes in the same direction, okay? Last set. What time was it? Alright, not too bad, okay. One set of 11. This is the last set before that big musical hit, that big sequence, okay? Which we'll learn next week. This sets you up for that sequence. Get to the back. 11 counts, and then we're done. It's called a push out because you push the flag out. That's what it looks like. To the back, okay? I'll turn around and do that. So what you want to do, you literally push it with your right hand, and your left hand does all the work. Push. Walk in a circle. When you face the back, which is actually the front in this case, when you're turned the opposite of the way you started, that's when you want to start swinging it around behind you, so that when you turn back around, it ends up here. Again, I'm pushing, I'm pushing, I'm pushing. Now I'm facing the opposite direction. Now I start to bring it behind me. Ah! Sorry, got attacked. Okay. Push. Behind. Here. Again. Push. Start bringing it behind me as I turn to the opposite direction. It's going to be down. Left hand over, right hand under the tab. It's going to be a 7 count push. So we're going to start at the back and end at the back, okay? We're going to go circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Then we're going to bump it up. We're going to bump 8, 9. It looks like this. You bump, grab. It's not this. It's not, I'm going to slide. It's bump, grab. Not slide, because you can, it's weird. You literally push it up. Bump it, grab it before it falls. Bump, grab. Because you're actually not, if I didn't have my hand there, it would just fall. Like it's floating and it goes down. So it's bump, grab. So you're here. Bump 8, grab 9. Turn over your left shoulder. 10, 11. And now you're ready to do the next part. Left hand is over, right hand is cradling it, and it's a high cradle, because the next move you're pushing it out. Okay? So let's run through those 5 sets and I'll do everything together, okay? So this is the back for all purposes. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, then dive, 5, 6, 7, drop under, slow, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8, 9, hold 10, 11, 7, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down 7, 8, 9, down 10, 11, finger roll 12, 13, up 14, 15, 16 to the back, push, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, bump 9, 10, 11. Okay, to the front, both hands are on the pole.